Physics Girl, aka Dianna Cowern, aka the host of the hugely popular Physics Girl YouTube channel that has over 1.6 million subscribers, over 118 million views, and today we are going to figure out if Physics Girl is telling the truth. Which is a really dramatic way of saying that we're gonna test out one of her science demonstrations and see if it's accurate, man. Because I have reason to believe it's not. The science demonstration in question is this video right here. How to make a cloud in your mouth. Published August 25th, 2015. It's a little old, but that's all right. Over 6.8 million views. So a lot of people have clearly watched this. In the video, Dianna follows a couple steps to make a cloud emit from her mouth. A nice little mouth cloud, which seems very cool, right? However, I don't know, dude, let's be real. I don't think this is gonna work. Let me explain why, all right? So I've made a lot of videos on YouTube. I've made a lot of science videos and videos of experiments that are not on YouTube. I've made a lot of science television shows that kind of show a lot of this stuff. So I kind of am aware of some sort of production things that you could do to mislead a viewer to make something appear different than it actually is. Here's what I'm talking about. Let's pause at this frame right here. This is where she actually releases the cloud out of her mouth. A couple of things stand out right here. One is that black backdrop. I think it was a strategic decision to do this in front of a black backdrop because it can make that cloud stand out a lot more and appear to be much clearer on camera. Here's the problem. We're not covered in black sheets here. So if we do this in real life, the cloud might not appear as clear to us as it does in the video. Another thing to me that stands out is if we look at kind of like her cheek right here, it's really, really bright, which makes me think that there's a light really close to her face. I think they specifically positioned a light to make that cloud glow a little bit more and make it stand out and look a lot more clear than it actually is. That's why I think this potentially won't work. So what we're gonna do is actually put it to the test. Follow the steps that Dianna has put in her video and see if it actually works.
I'm not making this up. This really works.
Let's see for ourselves.
The first thing you have to do is to click your tongue on the roof of your mouth like this, but with your mouth closed and full of air. After 30 seconds of that, you pressurize your mouth, meaning you hold your mouth closed and try to blow out like this. Then let go and let the clouds slowly escape. I'm not making this up. This really works.
It didn't work. I didn't see anything. Let's go to a replay. You guys saw the replay. We did it once. Let's try it again.
Click your tongue on the roof of your mouth, like hold your mouth closed and try to blow out like this. Then let go and let the clouds slowly escape.
I feel like I saw something, but it might have been like a piece of dust. Okay, I'm watching the replay and I actually see nothing. One more try, all right? We're gonna give Physics Girl one more try.
Click your tongue, hold your mouth, and let the clouds slowly escape. I'm not making this up. This really works.
Okay. Did this work? Unfortunately, it did not. Did you have fun doing it? Not really. Would you do it again? Nah, not unless somebody pointed out to me exactly what I was doing wrong. So the overall result, should we try this or not? You guys could try it out, and if you're able to make it work, let me know what I did wrong because I followed everything perfectly. And unfortunately, it didn't work. And Physics Girl, Dianna, if you see this video, feel free to comment below exactly what I'm doing wrong. Because if the science says it should work, I believe it should work, but maybe it's just a little bit more difficult to see than you said in your video. Those are our disappointing results for testing how to make a cloud in your mouth. If you do really like physics, And you should check out Physics Girl's channel. You might like some of the other stuff she does. Who are your favorite science YouTubers that you want to see put to the test? You into Mark Rober? You want us to try some SciShow demonstrations? Maybe even that crazy Russian hacker dude. He does some interesting things that we can certainly try out. If there are any science YouTubers that you want to put to the test, mention them in the comments below, and I'll choose one to do in the next video. No science channel is safe anymore, guys, because we are on the scene. We're here to find the truth behind YouTube science demonstrations. You know it's not fake. My appreciation for everybody who's watching this channel. Thank you for being here. Thanks for watching. You guys are the best. See you in the next one. Goodbye.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Click here to subscribe, click here for another awesome video, and click here to check out some behind the scenes on my Patreon page. Thanks so much. See you guys later.